Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn and draw capital letters, alphabets A to Z and numbers 1 to 10. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Red color, green color, blue color, black color, yellow color and white color. So kids, now I draw alphabets and first we draw A and use red color. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for God. H for helicopter. I for ice cream. Kids, now I draw J and use green color. J for joker. K for king. L for lion. M for moon. N for nose. O for octopus. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rose. It's now I draw S and use blue color. S for sun. T for tiger. U for uncle. V for vanilla. W for watch. X for x-ray. Y for yo-yo. Z for zebra. Kids, now I draw numbers and first I draw 1 and use black color. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.